I do biological sciences because I like to know how the world works. I like to connect with the environment, and I think biology encompasses everything. So it encompasses physics, it encompasses chemistry, and obviously biology. And it means that I have this understanding of the world from a perspective of things like plants or microbes that is very different to how other people perceive the world in the perspective of humans. I think for me, what drew me to Dundee was the fact that the research here was so great, that I had heard so much about the School of Life Science being this up-and-coming research institute which holds these world-class academics, which has these, passionate lecturers who can inspire you, who can teach you. I would say that the most surprising thing is the amount of opportunities that you get. I've definitely been someone who's taken all of those opportunities. In first year, we are told that we can go on a semester or a year abroad. I did my semester abroad at National University of Singapore, so I definitely got a great experience out of that. As well, in our second and third year, we can participate in the summer school, or we can experience what it's like to be in the lab, whether academia is something that's right for us, or maybe we want to go into something more industrial. In my honours project, I was based at the James Hutton Institute in Invergary, where I was focusing on post-transcriptional regulation in the context of thermomorphogenesis. And that's a big word, but it's essentially how plants respond to temperature. It was a 10-week project where I figured out what it was like to be in the life of a researcher, essentially. I was part of the research lab, I went to journal clubs, I went to seminars. I worked with the PhD students and the other honours project student as well. I really loved it. Next year I have a position in the Sainsbury lab in Norwich, which is funded by Gatsby, and I'm essentially in a position called a pre-doctoral intern, which is a year of research before you study a PhD. And so I'll be there for a year, and it gives me a little bit more experience to apply for PhDs. One day I'd hope to open my own lab. I love to teach, so I think a lecturing position would fit me very well. But I think it's still very early on. I think I wouldn't say no to experiencing industry or experiencing a different aspect of plant science or a different aspect of this field of science.